Indian Baba. Duck.
Indian blackback with the mountain gazelle. That you can see over there, that is the Indian Spanish. That is under the glass, on the look like a duck. That is the Egyptian ghost. Between the ghost and the duck. It came from Egypt. Online. And in your right side, that is the horse riding. That's we call as stables. Horse riding. That look like the dry leaves. That is on the ground while they are standing now.
Si young one. Young one kita. Jadi. It's like a newborn baby. It's like a newborn baby.
They bring here that 2015.
Okay.
They live here like 9 years now. Where? Okay. It's there.
Oh, yeah.
There too, you can see from the other one here. It's lay on the ground. Just look like the grass, dry grass.
Wake up lagi. Wake up now. Male or female?
They are all female.
Male. Okay.
Middle age.
Yeah, they are bringing from here at 2015.
Okay.
The cheetah is the good eyesight for hunting the animals. And they can run up to 0 to 90 kilometers just for 3 seconds. Sun gazelle.
That's nice.
Baby giraffe.
They are so cute. Cute ones.
Magtuwaan na sila.
Ibaw na.
Ibang
Tuwaan na sila. Baka sila daw. Hindi na mami. You can see that has a golden crown in his head, the bird. That is the Greek crown crane. The Greek crown crane is came from Africa, but is the national bird of Uganda. That's gray crown crane. And also that is the hemsbok that came from South Africa. Yeah. Banyas Island, and they call that as the Scimitar horn oryx. That came from North Africa.
I didn't know the last one.
Yeah, they have that like 39 inches long. But if ever the oryx will break their horn, it will not growing up again. Not like the gazelle. That's how many times they are breaking their horns. They're still growing up. Just only the oryx that will not grow. Yeah, we have that is the ostrich. That's the largest bird that cannot fly. Ostrich. That is female. That's the male for that is the black and white color. Ah, they have black and white there. And you can see from here the solar panel under the wind turbine. Easy to grow and make more harder the soil in the island. That's why some of the demonstrate are planted in the side of the road for the safety. That's under by Anantara Management. That's in the seaside area. Desert Spa Hotel. That's in your left side. And also you can see this mountain. And now we are here in the Central Majlis. Majlis is the Arabic words and English is receiving the visitors. That's we are here in the Central. This is the place that where Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan wants to stay over because he can witness the 360 views around the island. And also that Majlis is next the villa for the Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. And also you can see that mountain. That mountain, they call that as the Gap Mountain. That's top of that mountain is the Gap tree, the national tree of UAE, surrounding with the 7 tree. That representing with the 7 Emirates, include the UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, and Ajman. That is the Barbary sheep is came from Morocco.
त्याला खालतं काय आहे त्याला खाली बा काला
एकामेकाच्या सावलीत मुंडकेलं कोण राहिले एकामेकाच्या सावलीत मुंडकेलं कोण राहिले
पूर्ण हे चढते डोंगर
म्हातारे झालं बकरी बकरी गोट गोट
The Barbary sheep is the anytime even one male can do. That's before you reach that on the top, you will use up to 80 steps. This will make your nest shape.